Hair loss problem is quite common among the males in Malaysia. Based on the consultation, there's two approaches. One is a surgical approach, second one is non-surgical approach. In the surgical approach, the most effective way is the smart FUE transplant. This is a 36-year-old man. This is the picture before the procedure. It's already 7 months after doing the hair transplant using the smart FUE technique. This is where the result is. As you can see, 7 months later, there are a lot of improvement.